I'm Marta from Smart Buzzline team. In this video, I want to introduce you a membership bot or subscription bot. This is especially for the admin of VIP channels and groups which they get membership fees from their users. Subscription bot or membership bot can manage your channel or group and do lots of things like checking each user's deposits, specifying subscription plan with a price and duration of your choice, and more. So be with us to know how to create. Open your browser, write smartbuzzline.com. Click on Special Bots because subscription bot is a special bot. Click on Subscription Bot for Telegram channels and groups. And you can see Create Your Bot Now tab on this. You can choose Telegram Desktop or Telegram Web. I choose Telegram Desktop. You have entered to SmartBuzzline Bot Maker. Write /start this bot. You can create your bot by clicking on Create Bot. There are some templates here like subscription bot, basic bot, store bot, and the others. Basic bot is a raw bot which doesn't have any button. Click on subscription bot which is needed here. You can see this message, dear user, for creating an account you have to send your token. If you have a bot, you can go to your bot folder and copy the token and paste the token here. But if you don't have a bot or you don't know how to get token, click on this. I have bot. I go to bot folder, write /my bots. For example, I choose one of my bots like Monendo bot. And click on API token. Here is the token. Double click on this token. Come back to SmartBuzzline and paste the token here and enter your full name. And congratulations, your bot successfully launched. Click on Start Your Bot. And this is the bot you created. Write Restart. For adjust some settings, click on Setting button. It's necessary to add this bot to your group and make this bot add. Click on here. Add to group. For example, I choose one of my group and OK. So I have to make this bot admin. Click on this and promote to admin. Add new admins and click on save. OK. My bot is an admin now, so come back to your bot and click on check it out. You can see the message here, select your desired channel or group name. The group that I need for subscription plan is this group, free. And we have 2 steps left. Make payment setting and add subscription plans. Click on continue and select one of currency unit. This. And you can see 2 options here. Online payment or manual payment. Your customers can pay you online or manual. And now I teach you. Click on online payment, choose the payment gateway, for example, coin payment, cryptocurrency, and write your merchant ID. This is for who those have registered in coinpayments.net and have merchant ID. If you don't have this, click on manual payment. Write your address and your customers have to pay you, and after that they should send a receipt image by clicking on send receipt button. You can see here is a card that we have created. You can edit this text and write your payment address or whatever. Okay, click on next level and create a subscription plan here. After that, click on Save and Back to Bot. You can create 2 subscription plans, like monthly and finally click on Save and Back to Bot. Okay, done. Your bot has set up now. Click on Start and this is your bot. You can see the default buttons here like subscription plans, VIP users, my transactions, admin and support. I click on subscription plans to show you this button. There are your subscription plans. You can see them. And back. Now VIP users. Your customers can click on the VIP users and send the code you have sent for them. What is this code? You know, if you have some users and you don't like to get memberships from them, you can create some VIP codes for them and they have to send this code. Okay, and my transactions. Your customers can see their transactions by clicking on this button. And this is the file of their transactions. Support. Your users or your customers can click on support and they can write their question. And what is admin button? Admin buttons is only for the admins and the others can see this button. There are the buttons for the admins like edit plans. By clicking on edit plans, they can edit their plans or even delete their plans. Click on it and you can see this button here, payment setting. Click on it. If you need to change or edit your bot payment setting, click on this button, edit button. And the SmartBots Land support. By clicking on this button, you can ask your questions or whatever your needs here. Add extension or upgrade. By clicking on this button, you can extend or upgrade your panel and generate VIP codes. I've said before, by clicking on this VIP code, you can create some codes for your VIP users. How many people do you need a VIP code for? For example, 5 people. And enter the membership by, for example, I need 7 days. If your information is correct, click on yes. And there are some VIP codes for your special use. Back. And what is reports? By clicking on this reports, admins can see their channel members or user transactions. Log into admin panel. You can log into web panel by clicking on this button. If you have any question or need some guides, contact with us via SmartBots Land support. Thank you for your attention and your interest. Have a good time.